Welcome back. When you are using a Photoshop, you have to know that Photoshop is a two-handed operation program. That means to get things done as quickly as possible, you have to know some essential shortcuts that you will be using every minute. The shortcut I'm going to teach you is the shortcut that you will use in every photo you will work with. And to get things a little bit more interesting, let's add an image. Here is an image that I created with a 3D model program. Okay, and press enter to add the image. Okay, the first shortcut is Control minus to zoom out of the image and Control plus to zoom in the image and press space to pan the image and navigate around the image. Okay, the next shortcut is Control 0 and for Mac user you have to use this shortcut showing here on the screen, and for PC or Windows user use the normal Control key on your keyboard. It's showing up here on the screen. Whatever I press, it will be showing here at the bottom, and the space bar will show like this. I don't know what is going here exactly, but it will show like this. And the next shortcut I want to teach you is control. It's the next shortcut, the next punch uh, shortcut I want to know is this four shortcut Control A to select image, Control C to copy image, Control V to paste the image. And notice here that the new layer has been created by doing so. And for the next shortcut, I'm going to move this a little bit for the left, and by pressing Control Z, it's, uh, undo what you have what it's undo what you have done recently. And if you go here up to the history panel, you will notice that by pressing Ctrl Z, you will be moved back and forth between the two most recent action you have done. Okay, and for the newer version and for the new and for the newer and for the newer version and for the newer version of Photoshop, if you press Ctrl Z, it will go back like this. But in the version I'm using, you have to, if you haven't seen it already on the screen, you have to hold Ctrl Z, Ctrl Alt Z to go back in history, and if you hold Ctrl Shift Z, you will be going forward in the history. Okay. The next shortcut I'm going to teach you is Control X. Okay, Control X to cut the image completely from your canvas, and Control V to paste it again. Okay. And if you are using Word or another program that uses these shortcut, you will be you will find it here at the top in the edit panel. Will be familiar with these shortcuts. Okay, and these shortcuts right there, just the 7 or 8 I told you, is the majority of shortcut you are going to use the most. Control minus to zoom out of the image, Control plus, Control 0, space to pan and navigate around the image, Control cut the image and control V to paste the image. Okay, this is the majority of shortcuts you will be using. And let me throw you just two more shortcuts. Okay, just a little, just not Control F or Alt F, just pressing the button F will change the screen mode like this or like that. And the reason I'm showing you this shortcut that if you saw something strange or you press something accidentally and you don't know what you have pressed, it's the F key. And the next shortcut is if you are hitting it accidentally also, it's a tab. Tab will hide all of your options on the right and on the left. Press again to bring it back. And by knowing these shortcuts, we will be right on the track to begin our first editing or our first image. Okay, so you in the next tutorial.